Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Unit 8 Mapping Your Way. Today we will start from page number 124. Name is Ashish School. Ashish School looks like this from the top. Here the map number 7. This map is of Ashish School. It is taken from the top. This is how the school looks from the top. You can see, students, here is the main gate. Here is a playground. Office is here. Just in front of the office, the garden area, assembly ground, hall. Then it is the corridors, the doors. These are the doors are given. These are the doors are given. Here you can see class 1, class 2, class 3rd A, 3rd B. Then this is 4th, this is 5th, 6th A, 6th B, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. The school contains the classes till 10. Here the scale is given on the map. It is 2 centimeter on map is equals to 5 meters on ground. Okay. So on this base map, there are some questions are there which we are supposed to solve, students. I hope you have understood what is there in the map. Now let's see the questions. Use the squares to find out. Okay, here you can see the map is again drawn in the grid. The squares are given and square is of 1 centimeter. The square of the area of the square is 1 square centimeter because the length and breadth is of 1 centimeter. How many times bigger is the area of assembly ground than that of office? We are supposed to say how many times the area is bigger the area of assembly ground than that of office. If we see the area of office, the office you can see 1, 2 and 3 box it is of having. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 box it is occurring. So the area here of the office is, we know that it is 3 centimeter square. Okay, same way the assembly ground, how much it is? We can count the squares. See, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So how many times it is more than 3? So it is 5 times more than 3 because 3 5s are 15. So it is 5 times more than 3. So we can tell that the assembly ground is 5 times more than the bigger than the office. 5 times more or 5 times bigger than the office. Here it is 3 squares. We can see 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, 4 times 3 and 5 times 3. So it is 15. So 5 3s are 15. So it is 5 times bigger. What we will write? How many times bigger is the area of assembly ground than that of office? So we will write the area. This you are supposed to write down in your notebook, students. The area of is 5 times bigger than office. Understood, students? Okay. Now, next, how much is the length and width of each classroom? How much is the length and width of each classroom? How much is the length and width of each classroom? here the options are given, but first of all, to get the options, we are supposed to measure the length and width of the classroom. Let's come here. Let's see the length first of all. The length is 2 centimeter. Okay. And the width is 1.6. The width is 1.6 centimeter. Now we are supposed to find out it on the ground. This is on the map, and we will find out on the ground. So we will write down on a notebook. I will solve the sum. Length is 2 centimeter. Width is equal to breadth is 1.6 centimeter on map. Now the length is 2 centimeter, width is 1.6 centimeter on map. So on ground we will find out scale is equals to 2 centimeter is equals to 5 meters. Okay, so the length, if we call, therefore length is equals to 2 centimeter on map, so it will be 5 meter on ground. It is given in the scale only. 2 centimeter is the length, so on the ground it will be 5 meter on ground. Now the width we will see. Width is 1.6 centimeter. So we will multiply 1.6. Then what is the half of 5 meters? What is the half of the 5 meters? 1 square will be of how much? So it will be of 1 square centimeter will be 2.5 meters. So we will multiply it by 2.5. Why I have multiplied it by 2.5? Because 2 centimeter is equals to 5 meters. So 1 centimeter will be how much? So it will be 2.5. So for finding out it is less than 2, so we are taking 2.5 here. 1.6 multiplied by 2.5. Let's multiply it. 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 8. Putting a 0. 2 6 are 12. 2 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 0. 8 plus 2 10. 1 carry 4. Decimal is after one place, and here also one place. So 1 plus 1 2. So 1 plus 1 2. So it is 4. Okay, so answer will be 4 meter. So width is of 4 meters. So what will be the options here? See, here the options are given. So we can take 5 meter is the length and width is 4 meters. So the option is the A. Okay students, here when you are writing down this option, for option you are supposed to show the calculation which I have done on the notebook. Okay, now the next question. Here some of the map of the classroom is given. What is there in the classroom? We can see the door is here, the blackboard, the table, the benches, windows, almara means cupboard, notice board is here, and opposite to the blackboard the display board is here. This is the front part of the classroom and this is the back part of the classroom. Now according from this map, all the classroom in Ashish school look like this. All the classes are the same. Look carefully and answer. Which of these is exactly opposite to the blackboard? Which thing is exactly opposite to the blackboard? Almara, windows, notice board or display board? So opposite to the blackboard is the display board, isn't it? The almara and the notice board are on the sides. So opposite is display board. So we will write tick here on display board. Okay. Now look at the school map again. Guess and mark where would be this be. Now we are supposed to look the school map. Now we are supposed to show that where is the blackboard in 3rd A and 7. 3rd A and 7. See students, blackboard is in the to the nearest wall of the door. When we are standing on the door, near the door, towards our right hand side the blackboard will be there. Okay, so where it will in 3rd A, where is the class 3rd A? Let's see here. Here is the gate, door. So here will be the blackboard. Here is the blackboard in 3rd A, and before the next class 7. This 7. Here is the door. So here will be the board. So blackboard. Okay, you can also mark here. Next, almirah in 4th and 10th class. So students, see, almirah, the cupboard is when we are standing on the door, the opposite wall. In the opposite wall towards the left corner, the almirah is there. So now in 4th and 10th, the 4th class is here and 10th. From here we will enter the door. The opposite wall is this, and towards the left corner means here is the almirah, the cupboard. Okay. In same way in standard 10th, here we will enter the door, opposite wall, and here will be the almirah. Okay students. Notice board in 5th and 6th B. Now notice board is when we enter the door, towards our left the wall there is the notice board. So in class 5th and 6th B, class 5th, here we have entered towards our left hand side. Here the notice board is there in class 5th, and the class 6th B is the door, and towards the left here will be the notice board students. Understood? Okay. Now last set of middle row in 2nd class. Middle row in front of the blackboard, the middle row and last seat will be exactly in front of the display board. In the 2nd class, here is 2nd class, here the door, towards the left, here will be the blackboard, so opposite last, here will be the last bench. Okay, I have marked it. Now display board in class 1. So display board is at the last. Here is the door, here will be the blackboard, and opposite to the blackboard will be the display board. Understood students? So you are supposed to mark it this way. Everybody understood? So today we are supposed to write down this. You are supposed to write down question number 1 in your notebook, question 2 in your notebook, question 3A in your notebook, and the question 3B, this you are supposed to do in the textbook only. Okay? Understood students?